Hey there! Welcome back to Lux AI Tools, where I show you how to save time and work smarter every day using the power of AI tools. Today, I'm going to show you an all-in-one AI platform that I personally find super convenient. You can write content, generate images, make videos, turn text into voice, all in one place. If you're tired of juggling a bunch of different apps just to get one project done, this tool might just change the game for you. And if you're into tools that help you work more efficiently with AI, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss what's coming next. The tool I'm showing you today is called Krater AI. It packs over 50 features into one platform. From ad writing and AI image creation to video editing and even coding. You can use it straight from your browser. No downloads needed, and it's beginner-friendly, even if you've never touched AI before. I've tested it myself and was honestly impressed. Especially if you're someone who creates content often, this will save you a ton of time while still keeping your work high quality. So let me walk you through how to access it and set up your free account to start trying it out. First, head over to the Krater AI website. I've already dropped the link down below in the description, so you can just click it to get started. Once the page loads, you'll see a super clean and simple layout. Just hit the Start Free button to begin setting up your account. Next, enter your email address, then click One-Click Sign Up to finish registering. After your account is created, you'll see a few pricing plans. Just choose the one that works best for you. And if you just want to try it out first, the $9 plan is a solid option that gives you access to almost all features. Now that I'm logged in, here's the main dashboard of Krater AI. It's super clean. White background, simple layout, and a sidebar on the left with all the tools you need. Here's what you'll find. Copywriting, for writing ads, product descriptions, marketing content. Chat with AI, like talking to ChatGPT right inside the tool. Image generation, turn text into images. Video generation, create videos automatically from your input. Text to voice, convert any text into natural-sounding voiceovers. Code creator, generate code based on your request. And there's more. Audio composer, speech-to-text, and other handy creative tools. Honestly, I was surprised by how many tools are packed in here. And yet, the interface stays super easy to use. Next, I'll walk you through a few standout features in detail. Let's try making a sample ad using AI. From the left menu, click on Copywriting. Right away, you'll see tons of ready-made templates to choose from. Krater AI organizes them into categories like branding and ads, for product descriptions, ad copy, slogans. Website copy, write website content easily. Social media, for posts on TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. Publications and composition, for writing emails, blog posts, or long-form content. On the right, you'll see specific templates like AIDA framework, attention, interest, desire, action. PAS framework, problem, agitate, solve. Content expander, paraphraser, write an email, Facebook ads, TikTok description, and more. All you have to do is click a template, type in a few lines describing your product or service, and hit Generate. AI will take care of the rest. If you've ever spent hours coming up with good ad copy, this tool is going to be a lifesaver. Let me show you a quick demo so you can see how good the results actually are. Alright, now I'm going to show you a super useful feature, writing ad copy for a small barbershop. Let's say you're running a local business and want to run some Facebook ads to bring in more customers, but you're not sure how to write a good ad. With just a few basic lines, this AI can generate a complete ad in seconds. I'll go to the copywriting section and choose the Facebook ads template. Here's what I'll type in. Service name, Kingsman Cuts. Description, a small barbershop for men in Austin, Texas offering modern and classic cuts. Affordable prices, walk-ins welcome. Targeting men 25 to 45. Friendly, confident tone. I'll set the output to just one ad and hit Generate. In just a few seconds, we've got results, and they're super clear. The wording is clean, punchy, and nails that confident, friendly vibe I asked for. You can post it straight to Facebook or tweak it a little and use it for a Google ad. Either way, it's solid. Even if writing isn't your thing, all it takes is a simple description like this, and the AI does the rest. If you're running a small biz and want to save time on content creation, this feature is seriously a game changer. And hey, if you want more flexible help, Krater AI also has something really cool, a built-in AI chat assistant. Next up, let's check out the Chat with AI feature. This is where you can talk directly to the AI. You can ask it to help brainstorm ideas, write content, do research, or basically help with anything creative. It works just like ChatGPT, but it's built right into the platform. No need to open another tab or switch apps. Okay, let's have a little fun. I'm gonna ask the AI to write captions for a goofy dog photo. Imagine you just snapped a silly shot of your dog making a ridiculous face while dozing off. And now you want to post it on Instagram but don't know what to caption it. Here's the prompt I'll use. Prompt: give me 3 funny and catchy Instagram captions for a photo of a goofy dog making a silly face. Tone: playful and lighthearted. Just seconds later, boom, AI gives me 3 great options. They're all fun, adorable, and totally Instagram ready. You can post them right away or save them as ideas for future posts. This is just a simple example, but it shows how much time AI can save you when you're creating content, especially if you're posting daily. Up next, let's try out the image generator, where AI creates visuals based on whatever you type. Let's check it out. Now let's create an image using AI. I'm going for a vertical inspirational poster, the kind you often see on Instagram, Pinterest, or in short-form videos. Here's the prompt I'll type in. Prompt: a vertical motivational poster with a scenic background of mountains and sunrise, minimalist layout, soft cinematic lighting, space at the center for a quote. I'll set it to generate one image and select the portrait 16:9 ratio. That's the tall vertical layout, perfect for phone wallpapers, Instagram stories, TikTok videos, or YouTube shorts. Hit generate and just wait a few seconds. And here's the result. Super aesthetic. Soft sunrise over mountain scenery, cinematic lighting, clean minimal layout, and a nice space in the center for text. Looks just like one of those viral motivational posters. With just one simple description, the AI gave me a high-quality image like this. Perfect for content creators, designers, or anyone who wants a meaningful phone background. Next up, we'll test another exciting feature: AI video generation. Let's see what it can do. Next, let me show you one of the most powerful and visual tools on Krater: AI video generation from text. Under the video generation section, you'll see a super simple interface. All you do is type in a short description, and the AI will automatically create a stunning video that matches your idea. For example, I want to create a cinematic nature clip, kind of like an inspiring opener you'd see in a documentary. So I'll enter this prompt: a breathtaking cinematic aerial shot of a vast canyon at sunrise, fog in the valleys, golden light, epic soundtrack. Then I'll set the video size to 16:9, standard cinematic widescreen, and set the length to 12 seconds, which is actually longer than Kling AI's 10-second limit. Now I hit Create Video and wait about a minute for the AI to process. And here it is, a fly-through of a massive canyon with sunrise light cutting through layers of fog. It seriously looks like a Netflix documentary shot. With just one prompt, you get a high-quality video you can use as stock footage, an intro for your channel, or in your motivational edits. And if you want to add voiceover narration to that video, the next tool will come in super handy. Let's check it out. Now let's try the text-to-voice feature. This tool turns any line of text into a natural-sounding voiceover. Here's how it works. Just type your script into the box. Choose a voice. You've got options like male, female, warm and emotional, or bold and clear tones. For this demo, I'll use a popular motivational quote: "Your only limit is your mind. Believe bigger, act bolder, and watch everything change." I'm picking a soft female voice that fits perfectly with the scenic video we just made. Click Turn to Voice, and just a few seconds later, you get a high-quality voiceover, ready to drop into your video, TikTok, YouTube Short, or even a podcast. The result sounds super polished. Smooth tone, natural rhythm, like a real presenter narrating your content. This is so useful if you create short videos, inspirational content, or just want a great voiceover without recording it yourself. But we're not done yet. Next, I'll demo a really cool tool, AI music generation. Let's go. Now let's try the Audio Composer, a tool that lets you generate background music, sound effects, or even full soundtracks from just a text description. The interface is super simple. Type your prompt, for example, cinematic inspirational background music with piano and strings, soft ambient, atmosphere, perfect for a motivational video. Select the duration, up to 45 seconds, then click Turn to Audio. And here's the result, a beautiful, high-quality background track that you can use for inspirational videos, YouTube intros, or even podcasts. You don't need to know music theory or play instruments. Just bring the idea, and the AI handles the rest. Now let's try the code creator. It generates HTML code from just a description. In the interface, I select HTML as the language, then enter this prompt. Create a responsive call to action button with hover animation and gradient background. Include both HTML and CSS. Hit generate, and instantly, the AI gives you a full code snippet with HTML and integrated CSS. You can copy and paste it into CodePen, VS Code, or your own site to test and use it. Even though it doesn't show a live preview, the code is ready to go and creates a modern, animated button perfect for landing pages, product sites, or personal portfolios. You don't need to know how to code, just describe your idea, and the AI takes care of everything. What I really love about Krater is that everything is all in one place, from writing, image generation, video, music, even code. It's super convenient and a huge time saver, especially if you're a content creator. As for the pricing, I think it's pretty reasonable for what it offers. You can check out full pricing details in the description. All right, that's it. We've just walked through how to use this powerful all-in-one AI platform. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, because I'll be sharing even more amazing AI tools and tips to help you in both work and life. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. See you in the next one. Stay creative, and I'm wishing you lots of success. Lux AI Tools, helping you build your YouTube channel smarter, faster, and more profitably with AI.